Okay, 2 mistakes, 6 points. Two mistakes, 6 points again. 3 points per mistake.
We need to start to play defense earlier. They scored in the first seconds, guys. It's one-on-one. Speed, collapse, one line, one wall in front of the ball. Every time to the ball. When you go, show the hands, and then we go.
We are playing one-on-one. Too many one-on-one, too many dribbles. And we said, we are going to move them. We must move them.
With the number 21, they don't pass to the roll. We need to stop the ball, and arrive to the shooter.
We should remember, if play is low, you every time the first beat. No, Jenny. Second, after shot, come back. We are shooting 0 free throws because we are not playing enough hard. Hey, enough hard, aggressive to the basket, guys.
Estamos dando muchas facilidades adelante. No estamos generando un tiro bueno. Todos los tiros son punteados.
No foul, no foul.
Control, shut attempt foul, okay? Don't be over energetic on the closeout of the contestant, okay? Vertical, let it come to you, not